This video covers manual override by motor disengagement for the Slimrack slide-out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a flathead screwdriver, a 9mm wrench for motor brackets using a retention screw, or a pick tool for motor brackets using a spring and hook. From the coach's interior, access the slide-out motor. Uncouple its connection to the wiring harness. Loosen the motor retention screw with a 9mm wrench, or release the spring from the motor bracket hook with your pick tool. Pry the motor free of the drive block and coupler using a flathead screwdriver. The motor can either be removed or rested against the C-column. Repeat this step for the column on the opposite side of the slide-out room. The slide-out can now be pushed from the exterior of the unit into its in-stop position, allowing it to be secured for travel. Once the room is fully retracted, the motors can be reinstalled to the columns and secured with a retention screw or spring.